tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880 Wireless Color All-in-One Supertank printer. This printer is packed with features that will take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm here to dive into the details and show you why it's a game changer. First, let's talk about the wireless capabilities of this printer. With Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, you can easily print from anywhere in your office or home. The ultimate wireless solution allows you to print from your smartphone, tablet, or computer, making it perfect for busy professionals and home offices. Plus, with the included set of replacement bottles, you can print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color, which is an incredible amount of printing power. This means you can focus on your work without worrying about running out of ink, and the cost per page is significantly lower compared to traditional cartridge-based printers. Another key feature of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880 is its speed and convenience. Powered by precision core heat-free technology, this printer can print up to 25 ISO ppm in both black and color, with no warm-up time for fast first page out. The 500 sheet paper capacity, which includes 2 front trays and a rear feed for specialty paper, means you can print large documents without having to refill the paper tray. And with PCL/PostScript support, you can print from a wide range of devices and applications. The fast print speeds and large paper capacity make it perfect for high-volume printing, such as printing reports, presentations, and marketing materials. Now let's talk about the print quality of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880. With Epson DURA Bright inks, you can expect crisp, vibrant prints in both black and white and color. The pigment-based ink is instant dry, which means you can handle your prints as soon as they come out of the printer. And with borderless prints up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches, you can create professional-looking documents and photos. The auto two-sided print, copy, scan, and fax features also make it easy to work with double-sided documents, saving you time and reducing paper waste. Whether you're printing photos, documents, or marketing materials, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880 delivers exceptional print quality that will impress your clients and colleagues. In addition to its impressive features, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880 is also designed with the environment in mind. With zero cartridge waste and high-yield ink bottles, you can reduce your environmental impact. The exclusive EcoFit ink bottle design makes it easy to fill each color, and the very low energy consumption means you can save on your energy bills. This is a great feature for businesses and individuals who want to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Lastly, I want to mention the reliability and security features of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880. With a 2-year limited warranty and key security features such as WPA2 for both wireless and Wi-Fi direct, user-initiated data erase, and network protocol disablement, you can have peace of mind when using this printer. The reliable performance and extreme workload duty cycle make it perfect for busy offices and homes, and the hands-free voice-activated printing feature makes it easy to print documents and photos without having to physically touch the printer. In conclusion, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880 Wireless Color All-in-One Supertank printer is an incredible piece of technology that offers a wide range of features and benefits. From its wireless capabilities and fast print speeds to its high-quality prints and environmental benefits, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to take their printing experience to the next level. If you're interested in learning more about this amazing printer, be sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing experience. Get ready to print, copy, scan, and fax with ease and convenience. Find the link in the description below and experience the power of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5880 for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in